Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. If you get pulled over in Florida and a K-9 unit shows up, you need to understand what the law says and what really happens. Now, legally under Rodriguez v. State, the police cannot prolong a traffic stop just to wait for a drug dog. Once they finish the original reason for pulling you over, like giving you a speeding ticket or checking your insurance, the stop is supposed to end. Unless they have reasonable suspicion of another crime. They can't keep you there just to get a dog involved. But here's the problem. The police know how to manipulate that. What is reasonable suspicion? It's a very low legal standard, and officers will claim almost anything to justify it. Here are some common excuses cops use to claim reasonable suspicion. The driver looked nervous. He was breathing heavy and he was shaking. There was an air freshener hanging in the car. There were fast food wrappers or luggage in the back seat, and it was signs that they were on a long trip. The driver was talking excessively. He was sweating. He said he was coming from one place, but his passenger said he was coming from another place. The car smelled like weed, even if no one smoked. Some of that might be true. Some of it might be complete BS. But the point is this: the more you say, the more chances you give them to claim reasonable suspicion. And when the dog arrives, then it gets worse. A trained handler can provoke a false alert by pausing at your door, tightening the leash, circling repeatedly. These dogs are trained to respond to subtle cues, even unintentional ones, and the handler knows it. The alert becomes the excuse to search your vehicle, and suddenly what started as a speeding stop becomes a full-blown criminal case. Folks, don't panic. The fight isn't over. As defense attorneys, we dig into the details. We pull the dog's training records. We bring in K-9 experts. We compare the body cam footage, the timeline, and the narrative. We challenge whether the dog's alert was legitimate and whether the stop was illegally prolonged. But here's the deal. Your camera might make the difference. Their body cameras, the police body cameras, won't show everything. I think they look the other way, right? The angles are tight, the audio cuts off, cops turn off the camera, but your phone or your dash cam might catch what they don't want the judge to see. What do? You're on the side of the road, you stay calm, be polite, say as little as possible, do not consent to searches, court everything. And most importantly, remember this: you don't win your case on the side of the road. You win it in a courtroom. Protect yourself, know your rights, and if something doesn't feel right, talk to an attorney who understands how these cases really work. I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep your camera rolling. Bye.